We are now Weeki Wachee. It's right now it's really low tide, so it's a steep ramp. Got the boat down. It's a steep ramp. Hopefully by the time we come back it's be high tide and we can a lot less work to get it up. It's only like 40 pounds. It's not like it's 9.
Nice.
All right, just left the ramp. I guess probably we're gonna head up to Weeki Wachee Spring here. Fishing pier at Bayport. I'm gonna take us maybe, hopefully, less than an hour to get up here. Man, it's good fishing around here. Alright, look at this water, it's freaking clear. We go up to the spring right now. Yep, that's an eagle right up there, boy eagle. Right on top of that tree, nice. That's a cool little place that you can clean your, there's a fish cleaning table. I think it's a park. There's a little boat ramp there. Hey, maybe I launch my, maybe we launch our inflatable boat here next time. It's like a bigger, nicer ramp. Oh no, it's private. It's a private property. Ah, it's not a park. Eee, boo. Nice place though.
Is that fire?
Beautiful place. Look at all these houses here along the river. I think when brackish water now,
right?
just saw a big old alligator gar. This house got a private boat ramp. That's nice. As we get deeper in there, the water gonna be a lot cleaner and clearer. Man, I would buy that house right there. That little one with all the kayaks, canoe. They do a canoe and little boat rental right there. A lot of old houses and they have their own private boat ramp. That is cool, man. Yep, if you have a boat, you won't be able to get through this bridge, under this bridge here. Only kayak and small inflatable boat like me or canoe to get under here. Look how shallow, nice water here.
Spring?
We're approaching the spring pretty soon. People just get out here and swim around here already. Right there, back there. We must be near the spring because there's a lot of kayakers out here now. Look at this, tons of them. The question is, can we weave through them? We are at Roger Park. Upper deck, great food, been there before. You can rent your kayaks here. A lot of kayakers here. Alright, let's head up the river to the hospital hole. Clean, clear water. Beautiful day, so everybody's out today. Man, that place is busy on the weekends. I'm glad I got a motor. I'm done paddling. What? Beautiful. Probably pull over here, hang out a little bit. Hang out here. Nice little sandbar here. Looks like somebody can camp here. Hey, Tam owned Tam or Pam? No, that's Pam. So I thought it was Tam. Rental home. Look at this, guys. Maybe we should get together and rent it home. Around the river. Walk Weeki Wachee. Beautiful. Look at that mermaid. Hot mermaid. Took my boy out to Weeki Wachee River. Look at this. This water's supposed to be a lot clearer, but because of the rain, so it's a bit murky and brown, but it's still very nice and clean. Spot one manatee today. This way. It's cold. Oh, oh, woo. Oh, wow. You want to go in? Nice little river. Wow, yeah, yeah. He tried to be like Fabio. Go like this. Go like that. Cold. This water like 72 degrees in the 70s. Woo! That's a good sized blue crab. Oh my god. Let's see him. I'm recording him. That's a good size. Wow, that looks pretty high up here. Ready?
Yep.
Geronimo! Woohoo! That's fun. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. Woohoo!
You ready?
Yep. Go! Woohoo! It's nice, huh?
Oh yeah.
Water here look nice and green here, up here. Water up here. Less crowded up here. Less house. Gotta find a spot to camp here maybe in the future. Oh, water's really nice here. Maybe stop here, check it out. Look at that tree.
Yeah.
That guy's way up there. Holy smoke. No way. There's a little girl climbing that tree. It's where people jump off the tree. Holy smoke. Oh my God, it's way up there. Woo! Oh, water's cleaning up here. Light. Water's clean up here, huh?
Yeah.
Nice and green. It's a manatee right here. Look at this. Wow, I think he's feeding. ¿Te conectas? Having a quick lunch here under the shade at the spring. Look at this water, beautiful. Oh man, spot a manatee up in the river. Water is crystal clear. Spot right here. Probably can pick the tent up in this area. Look at this dude just came along here. That's fun, man. Got a party going on. Up here now, less kayakers. Nice, cleaner water. Man, it is beautiful water. This is Weeki Wachee Springs. Woo! Look at clear. Nice strong current. Headed back out into the Gulf. Get to back to our ramp and head home. That was a nice day. Weeki Wachee River and the springs. All right, almost here. We went way back into the spring. Take us about over an hour, just over an hour to get back. Which is not bad at all. That's where we were earlier, launching our inflatable boat. Tires are up. Right through that little channel right there. Here we go. Yeah! It's getting rough up there in the bay. But this boat can handle that rough. No big deal. There's a launching area. That's gonna be a steep to pull up. I got my strong son here. He can handle it. All right. Got up this far up to the ramp. Now just throw that wheel down and push her up. All right, pick it up. Have my son push from the back. Ready? Push. Oh, hold it. Slow. All right, push. All right, we're gonna deflate it right here. Whew. Wow, that's my truck. Not too far from the ramp. All right. Yeah. Woo. Can't do that by myself on that ramp. It's a little bit too steep. All right, all wrapped up. Put on my carry hitch is a lot easier than throwing the trunk, the bed, because it's too high to lift it up. All compact. This takes like less than 20 minutes to deflate, roll it up, and stow it and tie down. Time to head home. Woo, man, what a beautiful day. There's a nice park over there. There's a boat launch area over there. This for canoe and kayak. Surprisingly, this is not busy, which is good. I like it. Definitely coming back here again.